Oh, look at this. Look how much dust. That's gross. I'm gonna jump and spin. Ready? Ready? Are you ready for this?
Okay, ready?
Are you ready? On my back. Yeah, what's up guys? How's it going? And welcome back to my... We're not doing that. Okay, so this is one of my friend's pairs of Ultraboosts that he decided to hike in. I was like, dude, I got you. I'm gonna clean them. I'll give them back the next day. Bada bing, bada boom. So, I'm just gonna show you how to clean your shoes when they're super muddy like this. Alright, so welcome to my bathroom. It's so beautiful in here. Right, camera one? Right, camera two? Right? I have two cameras. We're gonna clean the shoes now. So I'm gonna put this in the sink. It's in the sink. We put it in the sink. It's in the sink. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to use Rejuvenator just because I know that this stuff works. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it with that. We're gonna do it with the right shoe with the Rejuvenator, and with the left we're gonna use just everyday household items. So let's put this one to the side for now. The first thing you wanna do is unlace your shoes. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually go outside and knock these off a bit, like all just the extra debris and whatnot. I'm just gonna hit it all off, try and knock off as much dirt as I possibly can. So I'm gonna go do that real quick. Alright, so the next thing we're gonna do is fill up a bowl, add a little bit of water. Next we're gonna add the Rejuvenator sneaker solution, just a little bit. Or a lot of it. Next, I'm using the all-purpose brush and I'm just gonna use this to scrub the uppers. Alright, now when your shoes are this muddy, if it's like Jordans or whatnot, you usually wouldn't do this, but since it's just a pair of Ultraboosts, I'm just gonna get them really soaked underwater. And I'm just gonna let these air dry overnight. Since it's just this thin mesh material, it's gonna be fine. Especially because you're just trying to clean off all that dirt. Also, you can do this in your tub too if you want. I'm just doing this in the sink just because it's the best angle I have for this video. Just trying to help you guys out. And there you go. There is your clean shoe. A lot better. Now while they're all wet, you're just gonna get like a rag of some sort and just gonna kind of dab it on there. As much water as you possibly can, you just wanna squeeze out. Sometimes I like to put the whole rag in the shoe. Then once it's in there, you just kind of push on it. You push on the rag so it gets that sole, the insole all dry. And there you go. There's your clean shoe. Or a lot cleaner shoe, that's for sure. Now on to the second shoe. I'm gonna try to use only products that you can find in your house. Same process, unlace the shoe. For the laces, I have a video on how to clean your laces. I'm gonna put a card up above somewhere. And there's just pretty much a whole video on how to clean your laces or make them a lot cleaner. We're gonna go into the garage and just knock off all this extra dirt. Pretty much use our hand and probably just like a dirty towel. Just try to get as much of it off as possible so that the cleaning process could be easier.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we are back. What I have with me is just some dish soap. You can also use laundry detergent. So pretty much just get a cup, any random cup that you have at your house. Get it a little bit full of water and use your dish soap or laundry detergent. Not too much soapy. Dish soap and toothbrush and just go to town. Also, for all you kids out there, if you do use your sink, you need to clean up after yourself. You're welcome, parents. Clean up after yourselves. Okay, cool. So yeah, that's pretty much the end of the video. It's not that difficult, especially when your shoes are super muddy like that. I used both Rejuvenator products and just like everyday household objects or items or whatever. So you guys have multiple things to use in case you can't afford Rejuvenator. But if you can, here's a bunch of products right here. They got the cleaner. There's like shoe deodorizer, like if your shoes smell bad. They have waterproofer. Obviously all the brushes. There's like a bunch of products. I have a link in the description below. I don't know if I have my discount code anymore, but if I do, it is CJ Sneakers and it's like 10% off or something like that. And if my code doesn't work, I know that there's a bunch of codes out there that do work. So you'll definitely find one so you can get a discount to help you purchase your stuff and get a discount on that. Because these are Ultraboosts, the midsoles are pretty much still dirty. But the thing is that these are actually 100% clean, but when they're brand new, they're actually painted on. And I have a video, and I'll put a card up above somewhere, where you can actually repaint these, and it's very simple. You just repaint them with this like white oil pen, and it makes the midsoles look brand new. That's for Ultra Boost specifically, or like NMDs or anything with the Adidas Boost material. There's a way to make that all white again. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video. If you guys did enjoy, don't forget to hit that like button. If you hated the video, hit the dislike button. Honestly, I don't care. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. I do a lot of sneaker content and a lot of like fashion sorta. I got an unboxing coming through, skate vlogs, because I do a lot of skateboarding. As you can see right here, I got a new deck. Bada bing, bada boom. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.